My name is Nastya and now I am student Global Speakers. I have been going in Global Speakers since the 11th of November last year. When I came, I was at elementary and now I am studying at intermediate class. Initially, I just looked for English courses and I sought a lot of schools, courses, and I stopped as a global speaker because unlimited system and price and I think that nowadays people can't spend a lot of money study English and global speaker it is cheapest school in Ufa. I went to the first real free lesson and when I speak with teacher, talking with teacher, so by myself, I understood that global speaker is worthy school of English language. About our teachers, they are quite qualified, kind, polite, and funny peoples. Global speaker has one good things. It is unlimited training system. This is an opportunity revise if you didn't understand something. And I like global speaker and I will recommend you study English in this school.